The recent sightings of unidentified flying objects over New Jersey and New York have ignited the public imagination. People often assume that UFO is synonymous with alien spacecraft. However, UFO simply means an object observed flying in the air that remains unidentified. The lack of identification does not automatically point to extraterrestrial origins. As an astrophysicist, I clarify that most UFO reports can be attributed to explainable phenomena. These might range from weather balloons and experimental aircraft to rare atmospheric events or hoaxes. The universe is vast and complex, and our understanding is constantly evolving. Just because we cannot immediately identify something in the sky does not mean it defies the laws of physics or originates from another planet. The first step in any scientific investigation is to acknowledge what we don't know and approach the unknown with skepticism. Throughout history, humans have often misinterpreted aerial phenomena, which we can now explain with science. History is replete with examples of aerial phenomena that initially baffled observers, but were later explained through scientific investigation. One common culprit is the weather balloon, often mistaken for solid objects due to their reflective surfaces. Military aircraft, particularly those involved in experimental programs, are another frequent source of misidentification. Advanced planes with their unconventional designs and flight capabilities can easily spark UFO reports. Even celestial objects such as planets and stars can be mistaken for UFOs under certain atmospheric conditions. The planet Venus, for example, is often reported as a UFO due to its brightness and tendency to appear in the early evening or pre-dawn sky. These historical misinterpretations remind us of the need for caution when evaluating UFO reports. While some sightings may genuinely defy explanation, the vast majority can be attributed to mundane phenomena misinterpreted due to a lack of knowledge or perceptual biases. The recent footage of UFO-like objects over New Jersey and New York is intriguing. The videos show objects moving in ways that seem to defy our understanding of aerodynamics. While the footage is compelling, it's crucial to approach it with skepticism. Sophisticated video editing software makes it difficult to determine the authenticity of such footage. Eyewitness accounts, while often compelling, can be unreliable due to various influencing factors. Therefore, while the footage and eyewitness accounts are intriguing, they do not constitute conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial visitation or advanced, unknown technology. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and in this case, the evidence remains open to interpretation. The scientific method, the bedrock of our understanding of the universe, is built on the principle of falsifiability. For a hypothesis to be considered scientific, it must be testable and potentially disprovable. When it comes to UFO sightings, the burden of proof lies with those claiming to have witnessed something extraordinary. It's not enough to present blurry footage or anecdotal accounts. To convince the scientific community, one needs to provide compelling evidence that can withstand rigorous scrutiny. This evidence might include multiple, independent eyewitness accounts and corroborating radar data. Radar systems can detect and track objects in the air, regardless of visibility conditions. In the absence of such evidence, the scientific community will remain skeptical. Until such evidence is presented, the most logical explanation for UFO sightings is that they are misidentified mundane phenomena, hoaxes, or simply the product of human imagination. While the existence of extraterrestrial life remains an open question, humanity has made remarkable technological advancements. Many UFO sightings, once attributed to alien spacecraft, can now be explained by our own ingenuity. One significant development is the rapid proliferation of drone technology. Drones, available in a wide range of sizes and capabilities, can easily be mistaken for UFOs. Their ability to hover silently, change direction quickly, and carry lights can mimic characteristics often attributed to alien craft. Military research and development programs continue to push the boundaries of aerospace technology. Experimental aircraft, often shrouded in secrecy, might possess flight capabilities that far surpass those of commercially available planes. Rare atmospheric events such as ball lightning or sprites can create visually stunning displays that might be mistaken for something otherworldly. Therefore, while the possibility of extraterrestrial visitation remains intriguing, it's crucial to exhaust all plausible explanations before jumping to such conclusions. The public's fascination with UFOs is undeniable. From books and movies to documentaries and conspiracy theories, the idea of extraterrestrial visitation has captivated the human imagination for decades. This fascination is fueled by our innate curiosity about the unknown, and our desire to find meaning in the universe. Cultural influences play a significant role in shaping our perceptions of UFOs. Science fiction literature and films provide us with a framework for interpreting the unknown. When people witness something unusual in the sky, their interpretations are often influenced by popular culture. The media also plays a crucial role in shaping public opinion. Sensationalized headlines can fuel speculation and create a climate of fear and uncertainty. It's important to acknowledge psychological factors like pareidolia, the tendency to perceive meaningful patterns in random stimuli. While it's natural to seek out patterns and explanations, it's crucial to approach such interpretations with a critical eye, recognizing that our perceptions are not always reliable. The quest to understand the universe and our place within it is one of humanity's most enduring endeavors. The recent UFO sightings over New Jersey and New York serve as a reminder of the importance of curiosity and critical thinking. They challenge us to question our assumptions, evaluate evidence carefully, and remain open to new discoveries. In an age of misinformation, it's more important than ever to approach extraordinary claims with skepticism. We must be willing to follow the evidence wherever it leads, even if it challenges our preconceived notions. The scientific method remains our most reliable tool for understanding the universe. While it's tempting to jump to conclusions, it's crucial to remember that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. By approaching these mysteries with curiosity, critical thinking, and skepticism, we can continue to expand our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.